This is payday week for our players, and training camp, the weather cooperated with us this year, and we wanted to make it miserable, hard, and develop players, and I hope we've done that. We'll find out Saturday, but I'm very pleased with where we're at as we go into this week. The only thing that's disappointing is we got a couple guys that aren't going to play. Xavier Nixon and Patch are the two that we really counted on getting in there, and they deserve to play, so we'll hopefully get them back as soon as we can. You have Duke and you have Treadell. Justin's kind of a known commodity. He gives you everything he's got. Duke is kind of an unknown on the outside. On the inside, everybody knows what he can do. He's a tremendous effort guy, and it's nonstop. So we're very pleased with that. We also have William Green, who's going to be very involved. And then there's at times you might see us move Jay Howard out to an end as well. And then obviously you got the freshman, Ron Powell, who's going to be hopefully a significant contributor. So I think everybody has a good idea what Treadell can do, and I think he'll be one of the best in the SEC. I think you'll be surprised with Duke Lemons and what he brings to the table. You know, when you have Jermaine and Carlos and Treadell in front of you, now it's Duke's turn to shine a little bit. And same with William Green. I really like where William Green's at. He's a junior now, and it's time for him to live up to his expectations. John and I are very close. There's not a better family than John and Karen Brantley and his uncle Scott. But I texted him the other day, and I just watched the way Johnny managed practice. And I texted him, and I'll share it with you because I'm awful proud of this. I said, enjoy the ride. Your son is growing up to be a man. And that's, I hope I get that same text someday from someone because that's really cool. And that is the truth. What he's done here in the last year has been exactly what we need to have happen. And that's he's grown up. He's the leader of this team. And he's Johnny Brantley, that's good enough for us. He's Johnny Brantley. And, you know, I love his statement. I'm just a regular guy from Ocala. I'm going to go play quarterback, and he's actually really good, which is that's exactly who he is. You got four guys that are going to. Three of them will start, and A.J. Jones for sure will start. Out of the other three, you got Hicks, Bostic, and Jelani. Two of those guys will start, but the next series there'll be a rotation of those three guys. Coach Durkin, I trust he'll make the right call, and he'll put the first guy out there. But I think people make more of it than we make of it, because at the end of the day, I'm hoping that they each play 36 plays. Probably going to see a bunch of real white eyes the day of the game because there's a bunch of new players going to play. But I'm also going to see a very energetic, enthusiastic group of guys that are ready. Like I said, it's payday for them. You don't come here to go practice down at those fields down at UVS. You come here to practice or to prepare and train and get ready to play in the swamp. So I like the energy where we're at. I can see it in their eyes, which I was hoping to see it. But today's going to be critical practice when we go out there this afternoon.